Except for Sunday. Sunday.
I think I'm going to put it on Sunday. No, I'm not. Wait. No, wait, no. Wait, no. No. Wait, maybe. I decide my own destiny.
What?
He's like, oh, and I look over there. Oh, thank you for the one gift, Dad. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, play on.
Hey! Gavis Bettel! Hello, my name is Gavis Bettel. Just the hour of cute temper. Ooh! Fuck. Oh. Fuck. Shit. Oh. Shit. Man.
Hello, it is I, Gavis Bettel, straight from the planet Krypton, and I have graced your presence, but it wants us, but it's precious, it kills us, it's...
French Riz voice.
Shit. Fuck. It is pleasure to meet you. Honk, 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 honk.
In your best Tommy Wiseau impression. Oh, hi, Dougie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mark. Happy birthday to... You're tearing me apart, Chop Hands! I can't do a Jack Sparrow. That was Boomhauer. I know Flan wants to play. Hey Flan, are you still here? Do you want to play Family Feud sometime?
Another one pulled in by my charismatic pull.